right, we have a gorgeous 2025 718 Boxster. And of course, this is the last year that they made them. And there's something special with this one. It's right here. She's a manual. Can't beat that right there. Got the white gauges, sport chrono, beautiful black leather. And check out the stitching. That chalk gray stitching to tie it in. You also have the chalk here on the back. The roll bars, color matched, absolutely gorgeous. Look at the satin wheels, and then you have your color matched washer covers here. Look at that, looks beautiful, highly optioned. Check out the website, we'll have the window sticker on there. Car has 2 keys, owner's manual, the window sticker, everything that came with it when brand new. And of course, this one looks brand new. Literally standing right here 6 feet away, I can smell the new car smell in here with that top down. Absolutely gorgeous spec. Beautiful, beautiful car. Now we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. I usually spend about 20 minutes with the cars, really analyzing every square inch of the car. Panel by panel, wheels, underside, interior, you name it. This car could pass as brand new, straight off the showroom floor, minus one tiny, tiny little rock chip. They touched it up, it looks beautiful. They did a great job. That's it. That's the only flaw on this entire car. Every single panel I've fully inspected looks incredible. Now there's no PPF on this car. If you do a full front clip PPF, do the front bumper, do the side mirrors, I mean, she's perfect and ready to go. And I bet when you do that film, it'll really hide that even more. And you can't even see that anyways. Like I said, perfect spec, highly optioned, everything you would want on this car, and it's a manual. Okay, we're sitting in the car, just over 2,000 miles. Beautiful white gauges, like I said, sport chrono. She's a manual. Just looking around this car, everything looks and smells brand new. And if you knew the current owner, you'd understand how particular they were with every little piece on the car, how they get in and out, how they sit in it. And you can tell because it looks brand new. Of course, it only has 2,000 miles, but if this car had 100,000 miles, this current owner would make it look like it was still brand new. All of their cars are near perfect, and this is a prime example. Check out the website. Window sticker will be in there so you can see all the options. Like I said, she's pretty much brand new. She's warmed up a little bit, just idled down. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. So let's do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. I've spent about 20 minutes with this car going inches away, every single panel, looking for flaws. I'm talking any little scuff, any rock chip or anything. It only has one rock chip, no other flaw. You could put this on a showroom floor and it would blend right in. The one rock chip is right there, and you can see it blends in, fully touched up. Looks incredible. Zero curb rash on the underside. It looks perfect. No curb rash on the wheels. Like I said, it smells brand new. Just over 2,000 miles. You can't really pick apart this car. There's nothing wrong with it. Incredible wheel color. Looks amazing. Barrels are perfect. Got the black wheel weights. All of that looks amazing. Side mirrors perfect. That looks incredible. Like I said, zero flaws here. So there's no PPF paint protection film on this car, but it's still an absolute perfect candidate for it. Like I said, zero rock chips anywhere here except that tiny guy right there. And honestly, once you slap some PPF on this full front end, it'll probably hide that and you're not even gonna see it. But everything else is perfect. The reflection looks incredible. Love the color matched washer covers here. Like I said, the front end underneath, it's perfect. Zero curb rash, looks brand new. No flaws on that splitter or any of the plastic. These are switched out, so nice and clear, so you can get rid of that amber color. Looks perfect. Highly optioned, like I said. Pretty much brand new. I can smell the new car smell from right here. Got the black emblems there on the bottom, the 718 Boxster, black exhaust tips. Beautiful, beautiful car. Here on the interior, it is a non-smoker and still smells brand new. Got the black leather with the chalk stitching. It's a manual, can't beat that. Got the white gauges. Comes with 2 keys, the owner's manual, original window sticker, everything a new car would come with. Looking at that panel is perfect. Got your memory seating. There's not a single flaw on that door. I don't see any flaws here on that trim. Bolsters look amazing. Once again, 0 flaws there. You have that beautiful matte finish here. Looks incredible. Looks brand new. Here on this door panel, looks perfect. There's not a single scuff on this trim, and honestly, knowing the current owner, no one probably ever sat in this seat. That looks perfect. No flaws on that seat. Looks incredible. Beautiful, beautiful car. All of this is perfect as well.